Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change taskbar color to black on Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Colors. Select Custom under Choose Your Mode. Change Dark under Choose Your Default Windows Mode. Turn off Transparency Effects. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.